Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. BD Designs Private Limited is a large garment manufacturing company headquartered in Chittagong, Bangladesh, located within the Karnafuli EPZ. It is a privately held company that produces a wide range of apparel, including suits, overcoats, shirts, and swimwear, and employs between 1,001 and 5,000 people. Location: Plot 48 to 49. Sector 3, Karnafuli EPZ, Chittagong, Bangladesh. Industry: retail apparel and fashion manufacturing. Products: manufactures various garments like women's and girls' overcoats, men's or boys' suits, t-shirts, and swimwear. Company size: between 1,000 to 5,000 employees. The company has an associated parent company, Northern Fashion Limited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.